What's up, gems? I'm Jamelia, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys, welcome back. It's always a pleasure. Always. Oh my goodness, I'm choking on my spit. What's going on? As you can see from the title, continuing spooky season, we will be reacting to 5 scary videos filmed by DoorBell camera. Yeah, those be the creepiest. Well, some of the creepiest. I've seen a few DoorBell cam videos. There was this one guy who said he was pretty much coming over there to rape and murder the woman, and he had a knife. It was hella creepy. No thanks. Oh my goodness. Why are people like that? Start the screen recording. I'm so sorry. I was about to start rambling. Let's see if they put it in here. Here we go.
What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019. The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
Come on, you guys, get out of there. Oh my god. Sorry, oh my goodness.
Get your dog!
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
Oh my goodness. Oh, pumpkin.
It's okay.
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
Look at God.
Number 4.
Child. That video that just gave me anxiety.
It's everyone's worst nightmare. A home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Yo. When I tell you that's one of my fears, living alone or even living with a partner or like my sister. Just someone breaking in. I need a bat by the door, a golf club by the bed. What? No, that's very terrifying. That's like one of my fears. Child. That thought alone is it's scary. Like, I'm sorry. That's crazy.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
Please tell me you don't have a weapon. I didn't see one.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Sorry, I didn't mean to run into your
Yes,
house.
you did.
Who the f*** are you? Go it. Robbie.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Somebody's got the f***ing back door, dude.
Yo!
For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I am not f***ing joking, dude.
I don't want to see the light. Who will?
Right?
Number 3.
How bold are you? And then you're talking about I didn't mean to run into your house. Yes, you did. It took energy and effort to twist that doorknob or whatever situation they got going on in the front of whatever the front door situation is. That took energy and effort. And then you proceeded to take steps. That's more energy and effort. You definitely meant to intrude.
You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker.
What gave it away?
He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove, no prints. Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime.
Yo. What?
Then he calls someone on the radio. His partner arrives.
What's the plan? What?
Armed with the tools to break in.
What is the plan?
In short order, they try and force the door. But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
SUNY Empire brings the classroom to you with more than 100 online undergraduate.
Yo. No, wait. It's the way they skedaddled on out of there. Just two dumbass criminals. Okay.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away.
Skedaddled. They were out.
And triggering an alarm.
That's loud.
Number 2. Would you open the door if the police came dressed like
Hell
this?
no.
These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
Oh, no.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick.
This guy is funny.
He tries again.
Go away.
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Yes, you do. Sir, go away.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate
Yo.
1.3 times higher than the U.S. average.
Yo.
There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
That's a lot. What I said earlier, 2 dumbass criminals.
They tried knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way. Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed.
Yo.
Number 1.
Bro. Okay. Let's just finish the
Tornado
video.
tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
I hope that person was okay. I feel like that just left me with 0 closure. How rude. How rude, how rude. Wow. CPD, I need you to come to the door. No. No, you don't. I don't need to show you my badge. Yes, you do. Like, you just making shit up as you go? Why do people keep doing that? Stop making up your own rules, bro. In some cases, yes, brilliant idea. In this case, no. Like, people work hard for their stuff. Leave people alone. And I know it's not that simple, and I wish it was, but it's just upsetting. You know, like, you're at home, you're chilling, you're with your family, or you're alone, and someone's trying to break in and steal your attempt to take your life, God forbid. But what the actual... Y'all know how this goes. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for kicking it. It's always a pleasure, always a vibe. I appreciate you guys more than words can explain. I can't thank you guys enough, for real. There are no amount of thank yous in the world that I can say, if you understand. I hope you guys are having a beautiful, lovely, productive, amazing, awesome, dope day. And I'll see you guys really soon in the next video tomorrow.